In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect two players on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up two distinct controllers on the same PlayStation 4. This will allow you to do what people refer to as couch co-op or split screen, where both of you will be able to play the same game, sharing the same console and essentially the same screen. So all that you have to do, as I've mentioned earlier, is connect one additional controller. So this controller will be used by player 2, while the main one will be used by player 1. There are two ways to do this. You can either use a cable, so you plug it into any of the available ports on your PlayStation 4, or alternatively, you can press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously. This will enable Bluetooth pairing mode, which allows the console to automatically discover the controller. I recommend using a cable first. This way it will remain connected, and every single future time that you power it on, then you can use Bluetooth, as the connection will be established once at least. So choose whichever option you prefer. When you connect a new controller, you will see this pop up where you have to assign a user account. This is very important. Most games will not allow you to do split screen unless a user account is assigned. If you choose the option to create a new user, you can essentially create a new PlayStation Network profile for that controller, so that user. So if it is always going to be the same person who is going to play, like your brother, your sister, or a friend that comes over a lot, they will always use the same account. Alternatively, you can also create a guest account temporarily if it is just a one-time thing. Choose whichever option you prefer. Either create a PlayStation Network user or use it as a guest. And now open any game that supports split screen. An example here would be Minecraft. When you join a world, you will see this pop up, press the options button on the secondary controller, and you will join as player 2. Another example, Call of Duty, Terraria, and so on. You need to choose a game that has split screen support. If you choose a game that doesn't feature split screen, such as Grand Theft Auto 5, then nothing will happen. Only some games will support split screen, and if you are unsure, do a Google search for your specific game. But it is essentially as simple as connecting the additional controller and then pressing a specific button combination to play as the secondary player. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two players on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.